Hi, my name is Kari and I'm the tree fruit pathologist for Penn State University, and I am located at the Fruit Research and Extension Center in Biggerville, Pennsylvania. Today I am here participating in an apple workshop at the University of Maryland Extension and Research Center in Keedysville, and the gist of the session today is harvest and post-harvest practices for improving apple fruit marketability. And I'm providing the post-harvest side of things, particularly the diseases. And the title of my talk today is Connecting the Dots, Orchard Management, Apple Tree Decline, and Post-Harvest Rots. And my talk today is involving or understanding the post-harvest rots that we're finding in storage. And we're finding a lot of different ones in storage. And also there is a question of where do these post-harvest rots originate? And what my talk is going to show is that a lot of the post-harvest rots that we're finding start in the field, and some of them are actually canker pathogens. That's how they start out. So we're going to be focusing on two particular canker pathogens, bullseye rot and diaportha or phomopsis rot. And then some other issues too that we're seeing in the orchard with tree decline involving root rots and crown rots, and they've been caused by pathogens that can also cause fruit rots. So there is a real connection between orchard health and also post-harvest rots. So we'll be ending the talk with general orchard management strategies that will ultimately minimize post-harvest fruit rots, but really focusing on orchard health management strategies. And as far as what the takeaway that I want folks to walk away with is that how you manage your orchard, as far as the nutrients, the physiological aspects, how you prepare the soil, it all is going to play a role in how you manage diseases later on, particularly post-harvest rots.